Steve, baby, your father did a horrible job the other day telling you about sex. So I decided that we should do it as a family. So, sex. First of all, you wanna explore each other's bodies.
First rule still stand. Don't eat no pum pum. All you need is two fingers. Two fingers. Right like that.
When you're making love, you wanna have that strong connection. When you look into each other's eyes.
Straight backers. Slap our ass, pull our ear. Like that. Like that.
Making love should be slow and passionate.
Fast and furious. Listen, there's no such thing as love making, alright? Either you're fucking fast or you're fucking slow. And only reason you should be fucking slow is because you don't want to bust quick. You get what I say? Hey, make sure you write down that. Make sure you write down that.
Making love is a special thing. You wanna wait till you get married and commit to that special someone.
You want to try to sleep with 10 women before 30. You know, get it out of your system and then you can think about settling down. Alright?
A baby is a blessing from lovemaking.
Again, do not bring no ugly picnic in here. The rule is still stand.
Wear a condom to protect yourself and each other at all times.
Yeah, your mother right on that. You should protect yourself at all times. But that raw sex though. That raw sex, your mother know about that. Your mother know about that.
Woo! Yes. And lastly,
Hey, stop telling about foolishness and come and drop this fast and furious dick on you.
coming, Daddy. Are we gonna do raw?
Only way we know how to do it.